Hello everybody, you found us, the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is where we make fun, easy cocktails. Well, today I got a cocktail for you. If you want to turn up the heat with something that is tangy and smooth, you got to stick around. So let's grab our shakers, get back to the bar, and make the Lady Marmalade. Our first ingredient in there is going to be some orange marmalade. And we're using Smucker's because Smucker's is pretty good. We're going to put a heaping bar spoon in there, which is about a teaspoon of marmalade. Our next ingredient, we're going to use some freshly squeezed orange juice. Fresh is best. We're going to put 1 ounce in there. Next ingredient going in there is going to be our orange liqueur. We're using Cointreau, and this is going to be kind of our sweetener in here. We're going to use 1 ounce. Next ingredient in there is going to be bourbon, one of my favorites. Today we're using some Maker's Mark. We're going to use about 1.75 ounces in there. Last thing going in there is a little bit of spice in there. We're using some Angostura bitters, 2 dashes. Now we're going to ice this up, cool it down. And now we give it a shake to chill it down. You want to shake this a little bit longer than typical because you've got that marmalade in there. You want to break that down and incorporate those flavors into the cocktail. Now we're going to take our coupe glass we've had sitting off to the side. We've got some ice water in there to cool it down. Let's get rid of that. And now we're going to pour. Because of the orange peel in marmalade, we're going to do a double strain on this. Beautiful color in there, great aroma. And now, last but not least, we're going to garnish. To do that, we're going to take an orange peel. We're going to give that a little bit of a squeeze, express those oils into the cocktail, rim the glass with it, give it a twist, and lay it on the side. And there you have today's cocktail, the Lady Marmalade. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's citrusy. You've got the taste of the bourbon in there. It's a very sophisticated looking cocktail, folks. Hope you enjoy it.